Hi, my name is Serban Constantinescu, and I'm a product manager with Android Platform Security. Join me at the Yarn Developer Summit, where I'll be talking about the Android memory safety tools. These tools can help you improve quality, security, and maintainability of your codebase. Over the years, we have been working with the wider software ecosystem, as well as Yarn, on improving these tools and making sure that they can be deployed in production. In my session, you'll find out more about how you could use GWPSI and NTE to improve the quality of your codebase and to detect bugs that otherwise would have been left latent in your codebase and affect user quality and potentially user security. I'm excited, and I look forward to seeing you there.